This is a small 3D printed home built almost entirely from wood. Created by the University of Maine, it's designed to cut waste and lower labor needs. And the best part? This house is projected to handle Maine's harsh weather. Sandfoot makes walls nice look and feel of wood, with flexible sheets that wrap around curves, columns, and corners. It comes pre-finished and meets Class A fire standards, plus is available in many wood species. Founded in 2009 by Stephen Leprezet, Arca is a French workshop where traditional woodworking meets new technology. From luxury displays and Hermès handbags to furniture, lighting, and automotive interiors, Arca turns experimental ideas into beautifully crafted design. Woodcrete, also known as wood wool cement board, is a lightweight building material made from wood fibers and cement. First introduced in the 1930s, it is still widely used because it is easy to work with and provides good thermal insulation. Next company builds homes with vertical wood beams, creating walls that are strong and naturally energy efficient. This method helps prevent warping and gives each home a modern look. Flexible, transparent, and easy to apply, Defense is a self-adhesive membrane that protects timber elements during transport and installation. It blocks air, resists abrasion, foot traffic, UV exposure, and helps create perfect seal on prefabricated surfaces. Near Skara, Sweden, Modvion built the world's tallest wooden wind turbine tower. It reaches 344 feet. Since 2023, the 2-megawatt turbine has powered about 400 homes. A reciprocal roof is built from beams arranged in a circle, with each one resting on the next. That simple pattern makes the structure strong without needing a central support. This company is called Feeling Wood, and it makes stylish wood wall panels that add warmth to any room.